Last time at Veterans. Thank you. Oi, go, 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 go! Go! Oi! Yes! All in one! Yes! Yes! I'm back for the first time since that day. Repping 3 strokes once again. You know, 3 strokes. The plan is shoot 85 or below. Pasok mo na. Yeah. Will I conquer? I have another chance for birdie. Okay. Yun yung gusto kong tira. Or will the course eat me alive? Naku, parang hindi maganda yung cut dito. Uy! Let's find out. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here again at Veterans Golf Club. This is where I made my first ever hole-in-one. So I'm back here. This is my second time playing here. And thank you so much again to 3 Strokes for sponsoring the video. If you guys want to check out 3 Strokes, link will be in the description below. Okay. Alright. First hole. Just target the stick over there. First hole. Doubling right. Uy! Woo! Parang di ko nakita nagland. 175. Oh, sakto. Buti pala, nagdala ako ng 5. June, mag-hi ka sa camera. 175 yards. Subukan ko i-cut.
What? What?
Okay. Struggle agad tayo first hole Okay. I have 130 yards with the wind. Soft 8. Isa pa. Kakat ko ulit. I'll try to cut the ball so it won't hit the trees. Go! 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 Uy! Sit! Sit! Ang sama ng sipay. Okay. On the green, ay, sa fringe, pero pwede na yun. Okay, I barely got on and had a horrible kick. So, here. Chip ko na lang yan pala. So I have a chip for par now. Right, ay left to right, no? Diyan lang ang bagsakan. Okay. Sige. 7. Sit. Bogey. Oh. Okay. Bogey on the first. That's one for me. Kailangan natin birdie. Bali, first hole pa lang. 4 Oop. Okay, next hole is a par 4 again. Dog leg left, 240 yards. I'm gonna use a 5 wood. I don't know what the freaking line is. It's gonna go in. Thank you. Okay. Thanks. Alright. I have about 100 yards in or out. Whatever. Gonna use a 48. 100 yards, 48. Gonna try to aim at the middle of the green. Okay. Thank you. Alright. I thought I was in close. But I'm not, so I still have probably about a 20-foot putt. for birdie. I'm fine with the par here though. Ano to, Jun? Mabagal ba to?
Ang bagay na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jeez, bilang ko eh. Ano, 11?
Dagdagan mo ng 11.
Sige. Ano to? Right to left ba? Right to left? Bird. Ah, hindi bumali. Sayang. Okay. Par. Sayang, kala ko pa birdie natin, long putt eh. Oo, sayang. Okay, next hole is par 3.
BYD daw.
BYD, etong hole na to. Sponsor mo yon, Doc. I don't know what to do with this hole, man. Par 3. Don't try to draw it. I don't know. Or just whatever. Go! Parang short. Uy, nice. Okay. Okay. I am here. I thought my shot was good. I thought I was on the green, but nope. It rolled out. Hard pin location though, because I landed it like just after the fringe. I'm gonna try to make it. I'm gonna be aggressive today. Left to right, no? Pero pababa yun dun.
Diyan lang sa ano.
Hirap to ah. Okay, gonna try not to duck it. Go! 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 Kulang. Wisit. Ah, I wanted to make that. Crap. Okay, for the par. Uy! Open ko ata, no? Ay, nako. Bad bogey. That was such a bad bogey, man. +2 through 3. Alright. Next hole is a par 4. 170 yards. 170 yards just straight ahead. Mandatory layup. I don't know if I should play the fade or not. Yeah, maybe I should play the fade. Ganda ng sipa. Okay. Tingin mo, palong ilan? 70? Okay. So I have 70 yards.
Ano? Secret!
Ah! Mali lang direksyon. Bakit tayo mag-fade ng tira ko? Ah, dun nga ako nakaimo.
Alam mo, ganun.
Ayaw mag-fade eh. Okay, so I'm on the green. Ang mahirap i-birdie yan, downhill. Alright. I have another chance for birdie. Oh, what the frick? Long putt downhill. I don't know. I don't think it's that I don't think it's that fast, to tell you the truth. Hindi ang ganun kabilis, no? Parang regular lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Kaya bilangin ko ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 talaga eh. Okay. Alright. For the birdie. For the birdie. For the bird. Kulang. Dapat pala hindi ko na binawasan. Tap in lang ako. Diretso?
Kaliwa, kaliwa.
Thank you. Par, sayang. Hindi ko ano yung mga birdie pots natin. Okay, I'm now still 2 over 4. Going good. Just keep it up. Okay, hole 10. 160 yards layup. I have a 6. Slight dog leg right. There's water before. I don't know where to put this freaking ball, man. Sit. Okay. Hey. I'm gonna try to make it quick because there are people behind us. 70 yards. 70 yards. Uy, shit! Muli. Minadali ko eh. Sobra naman. Nagmadali ako eh. Ay, nako. Okay. This might be the first blow up hole of the round. Hopefully it's not that big of a blow up. So I am now chipping for par. Clutch. Clutch up. Siyete. Gulong. Left. Hassle.
Ay! Lang.
Okay. 5. 4 bogey. Huh? Akabig ko ba o di lang talaga siya bumali? Ha? Maliit lang break. So ano tayo? Double? Bogey? Ay, oo nga pala. Okay. Alright. Next hole is hole... What hole is this? 11th, I think. 11th hole. Par 4 dogleg right. Like sharp dogleg. There's a tree in the way, so I'm gonna try to hit a stinger with this shadow. I don't like the shadow. It's a bad shadow. Stinger time. Oy! Wow! Okay. Grabe yun. Okay. So chip lang mga 40 yards. Alright, 40 yards chip. Like that. Something like that. 40 yard chip. Sit! Okay naman. Kala ko sa sobra pa eh. Alright, so I have that for birdie now. If I can get it on, then I'm happy with the bogey. I think I'm 3 over now. Through 3 over 6 maybe. Okay, 50 yard shot to the green. Field shot. 50 yards. Hoy, sobra! Masama naman ang sipa. Matigas pala yun. Ay, nako. Gusto ko yung shot ko eh. Kala ko kakagat eh. Eto ba? Ano ba ito? Mabagal, mabilis?
Medyo mabagal na pa.
Oh. Right to left? Okay. Kaso magulo yung lupa dun. Ay. Sit! Sit! Wow, ang bilis. What the hell was that? So that's for bogey. Oh no. Oh no, this is gonna be my first double, I feel. Excuse brother. So, what the? Okay. To save.
Yes, nice.
Okay. Buti na lang na-save. Oh, number 7 I think. Par 4. Gonna aim at the tree and play the fade. Let's play the fade, bro. Ah! Sit! Safe? Ano yun? Okay, safe? Okay. Okay, bad drive, but June, my caddy, says it's safe. So, let's just get it on into. Okay. 80 yards. Whew. So, magandang swing lang. $80. Parang short. Sakto lang. Kapal ng damo. Pero pwede na. Ayaw ni bird. Okay, chipping for bird. Oh man, another long chip. I'm just gonna try to make par again, guys. Or maybe I'm gonna try to make it. Okay. Uy! What? Shit. Okay. 4 of 5 for the par. 5. Oo nga. Sayang. Uwi na naman tayo. Nakabig ko, no? Crap. Okay, that's 5 over for me. Through 7. Okay, next hole, par 3. 150. 150 pero into the wind. So, it's playing 160 yards. Behind eh, short yan. Buti umakyat. Pangit nung kuha ko. Alright, I am way short, man. Alright. Diyan. Ganun kalaki? Alright. Alright. Oh man, another tough line for me. Sit, bite, bite, bite. Grabe naman yon. Another bad chip from me. Okay, but I can still make that, I think. Bali! Wah! Kanina pa ayaw. Madaan lang tayo. Tapin ko na yan. Pabogi-bogi tayo. Okay, next hole, another par 3. 190 yards. I am gonna use a 5-wood. Fade! Ah! Walang fade. Alright, I have a 40-yard shot. So, pwedeng palong mga 35, ganun. Kasi gugulong pa naman eh. O, palong 40 na. Oh,
40 mo na.
40 na lobo. Hindi naman ako tatama dito, di ba? Ay, short eh. Masyadong alalay. Sayang, ganda ng linya ko eh. Ah. Alright, don't have the field today. That's for sure. Alright. 13 feet. 13.
May booking.
15. Okay. Go. Uy, kulang ah. Parang hindi ata 15 yung nagawa ko, Jun. Parang hindi ata 15 yung nagawa ko eh. Parang gis lang eh.
Oo, may clear pa.
3. 4, oo nga eh, parang
Talaga pa lang kita.
okay. Sobrang firm ah. Muntik pa. I should make more pars and a few birdies. But it's alright. It's been a while since I last played. I think it's about 10 days since I last played. So I'm gonna give myself that. Alright, next hole, par 5. Dog leg left. Uy, my god. Isa pa ako. Muli ako, muli. Okay. Alright. I have 150 yards to lay up. Okay. I'm gonna use a 7. 7 iron. My god. What's happening to my swing? Oh, I'm gonna try to draw this bitch. Ano? Saan napunta? Oo nga eh. Dulo ko tinamaan eh. Alright. 100 yards. I'm gonna use a P. P wedge. Go! Short na naman oh. Oo nga eh. Ba't ganun? Hindi na pa ako nabe-behind ah. Bale. Kaya hindi tayo maka-birdie, lagi ako short eh. Okay. Sige. Alright. Let's chip it in, guys. Minsan parang may dumi, di ba? Oh, ang lakas nga. Sayang.
Medyo mabilis ako.
Sa dos. Huhuhuy. Ayaw talaga, bogey na naman tayo. Okay. Naku, parang hindi maganda yung cut dito ah. Parang delikado yung cut dito. This is our 10th hole now. Dogleg left. Par 4 pa rin, no? Into the wind as well. Ayaw talaga ng cut. Okay. Buti na lang lumusot. Okay. Oo, tumama eh. Yun yung Alright. Have a 90-yard shot. 90-yard shot. Na naman. Ito short. Oh. Pangit. Oh no. Sumasama na yung palo mo. Sige. Uy. Dito tayo. Dito. Alright. My swing is getting uglier and uglier on every swing. Walo na. I'm hiding because our playmates today, our flight mates today are beginners. I almost got hit. Alright. I have a chance to make par. If I could chip in or just make bogey again. Alright. Oh, another bad lie. Oh man, this is hard. Sit! Half ball ko na naman eh. Sumasama na talaga yung laro ko. Diretso mo na. Double. Double, no? First double. Bad trip. Alright. Was a good start, but we're now 11 over. So next hole is a par 5. If I can hit this one good, then I might get a chance to birdie this hole. Uy! Four left! Kita mo? Alright. Have 150 yards. Drop to. Okay. So, saan ang linya ko? Itong mataas na puno. Okay. 8. Sige. Kaso hindi ba short? Baka ma-short eh. Sakto. Behind pa nga eh. Alright. That was a 140-yard shot. Used an 8. Alright, I have 100 yards left. Ooh, let's birdie this. Birdie, please. Oo nga eh, 48 na lang. Sayang. Pero gitnang-gitna oh. Sayang.
Tapon lang.
Oo nga eh. Sayang. Hirapan na naman ako mag-birdie dun. 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, 9. Bawas. Alin? Mga 7? 8? Alright, for the birdie. For the bird. Pasok na, birdie na. Birdie mo! Buisit! Ah! Shit! Ayaw talaga mag-birdie. Birdie sana eh. Ah. Sayang, Jun. Kala ko yun na yun eh. Crap, I thought that was it. I thought I just made the bird, man. Crabbers. What? Alright, on to the next hole. 6 more holes to go. Ay, guy, and 11 over. Alright, 190 yards. 5 holes na lang, no? Shit, 5 holes left. 5 holes na lang para maka-birdie. O yung isa, anong aim ko? Yung pula? O yung isa, yung sa dulo? Okay. Okay, behind it. Okay, so I have 80 yards left for my next shot. Hopefully I can get this on. And stick it close so I can make the bird. I thought I was gonna make the birdie last hole. Alright, 80 yards. Water on the right. So, ang aim ko, yung ano yun, mangga ba yun?
Oh, mangga yung puno na.
Yun, yung mas malaki.
Ng mangga.
Okay. Pasok mo na. Ayos. Alright. It's close, I think. From my view right now, it's close. So, let's see. Whew, shit. Side hill lie. Side hill putt, I mean. Side hill downhill. You know, 3 strokes. Alright, birdie chance. Birdie chance. Come on. Five. 4. Tapos gano'ng kalaki? Kung ito na magbasa. Bukang bisad. Oo nga eh. Malaki ba? Parang dito. Parehas tayo ng basa. Pasok. Wow, nice spot. Nice spot.
Nice one, nice one.
Uy, tatama. Ha? 4 lang yun eh. Par. Ayaw talaga mag-birdie. Okay, still no birds. I'm still chasing birdies. Fredo, shout out to you. Okay, next hole is ano ba to? Par 4 ulit, no? Par 4 dogleg right. A little bit. Oh yeah, it is. Anong pwede kong aim? Yun bunker? Kaliwa nung... Oh yun nga, yun. Sa dulo. Okay. Alright. 5 what it is. Just hit a good one, man. Hit a good one. Oo nga eh. Pero, yun, nag-fade. Yun yung gusto kong tira. Oy, sama ng sipa. Oo nga eh. Okay, I can still make birdie. My ball is right here. I was 200 yards out back there. I think that was the best swing of the day, probably. Okay. Alright, this is gonna go in, guys. For birdie, for birdie. Chasing birdies. Uy! Ay, nako.
Pasok to.
Ayaw. Kulang. Bogey. Alright, that's another bogey for me. Guys, it's so sad. Nobody's gonna get a cap today. I feel like. Nag-shot pa ako dyan. Kung kailan kailangan ko yung chip eh. 150. Pero with the wind. Sige, 7 na lang. Parang lagi ako short eh. Alright. Next hole, par 3, 150. Uy, kumanan. Saka short. Bunker. Wow. Dang guys, my bad there. I was trying to draw it. I should play the fade, but it hasn't been fading the whole day. That's why I wanted to try the draw. And it was calling for a draw shot as well. So, anyway, I'm in the bunker. Hirap nito. Short no. Okay. 9. Kanina pa ako nasi-short. Tap ko lang yan. Ay, another bogey. 150 yards, par 3. Tapos, 7. Okay. Okay, sakto yung fade to. Okay, I'm gonna try to freaking fade the ball. Fade the ball. Uy, sayang! I gotta chip this in. For real this time. For real. Shoot mo na. Ay! Di pumali. Okay. Well, that's for par. That's a par, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Last hole of the day. We are at hole 4? Wait, what? I don't know. Last hole na ba natin to? May isa pa. Okay, so this is our second to the last hole of the day. I have 2 more opportunities to get a bird. This is just straight ahead, but mandatory layup 200, 180. Ano, sakto? Sakto o short? Okay. 60 yards. I'm gonna use 86. Oh! Bad trip. Hey, I'm just gonna try to make it, guys. I am just gonna try to make this. Parang diretso lang dito. Tingin ko eh.
Hindi po konti kaliwa.
Konti lang.
Malapit na kapit.
Ah! Kulang. Sayang. Kulang sa kaliwa. Crap. Have that for par. Muntik pa. Ano tayo dun? Bar. Akala ko lalabas pa eh. Okay. Alright. Last hole of the day. Last chance to make a bird. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Par 5. I don't know the yardage. Straight ahead. A forced layup though. 130 yards to layup.
Nice one.
Uy! Short! Naku, stymie pa.
Ano, simple na yun.
Single.
Lalo mga 80 na.
80.
Good!
Parang. Sabi sa'yo eh. Pag ganun, kayang-kaya ko i-fade. Alright. 140 sabi mo? 140 yards. Last shot of the day, hopefully. Last full swing of the day. 140 yards. Dikit mo! Dikit mo! Uy! Sobra! Ocho lang. Sabi ko kasi ang kapal eh. Ah! Malas! What to do, man? Uy! Nagkalat pa sa dulo. Hey, regroup. This is for par. Sit. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. 9, no? For the bogey. Pasok mo na. Ah, double. Ayaw ba? Taga. Nice game, brothers. Nice game.
So that is it for this round. Unfortunately, I didn't win anything. With System 36 format, you really need to make birdies, and I didn't get any. I did, however, break 85, and that's one of the goals. So that's a positive at least. Anyway, massive shout out again to 3 Strokes for always supporting the channel. Thank you very much. And to you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Peace.